back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Pavithra Iyer. So today is the day 9 of 30 days video challenge. If you're not aware of what I'm talking about, I'm posting videos every single day for April month. So today is the 9th day, and for today's video I have done this neutral makeup for you guys because festival is around the corner. So I thought I'll just start with neutral makeup, which has 2 lip options. So if you're interested in knowing this makeup look and how I achieved, then continue watching. Also, I've created this makeup look with minimal products, and I have like just smudged the kohl liner. It's like super easy, appropriate for festive season. And yeah, let's get started with this makeup tutorial. Okay, starting off with welcoming my buddy right there, who is the center of attraction for today's video. So heads up on that. And I'm gonna be using this concealer for the first step. I have already done my skincare, so I'm directly using the concealer on my dark circles, blemishes, and wherever it's necessary. I'm just applying and making sure I blend it nicely into my skin. If you know me, you know I don't like wearing foundation regularly. I like using lightweight concealer which is near to my skin tone, and this has to be my favorite concealer. So once I'm done blending the concealer, whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'm just taking it on my forehead and on my chin. Moving on to set the concealer using this compact, and I'm using same beauty blender to apply the compact on my concealer. This will ensure it will look more blended and natural. To fill in my eyebrows using this Blue Heaven eyebrow styler, which also comes with this spoolie and it's super handy. So I'm going to be filling with this. So once I'm done filling my eyebrows, let's move on with the rest of the makeup. For that, I'll be using one palette. So this is the Morphe 24G palette, and I'll be using this light coffee brown shade for bronzing up my face, and then I'll make sure it's blended nicely. Then for blush, using this pink shade and placing it on my apples of the cheeks, making sure it's blended with the bronzer shade. And using this light shade from the palette to clean up the edges of the bronzer and to give that definition. Moving on, using this particular shade to highlight my highest points, and as you can see, one palette can be used in many different ways. This has to be the best part while you don't have time, while you have like less time in festival days. So I just love using this kind of face palettes or this kind of eyeshadow palettes, which can be used in multiple ways. Okay, then to set my makeup using this Wet n Wild setting spray, and I'm gonna be using the beauty blender just to make sure all the powder products are melted nicely into my skin. So once the base makeup is all set, let's move on with the eye makeup. For that, I've kept it very simple using this brown shadow all over my crease, making sure it's blended nicely, and that's it for the eye makeup. It's super easy, super simple. Then using this kajal from BIOTIQUE, I'm going to be applying it on my waterline, tight lining with the same kajal, then dragging the kajal down the lash line like this, and going back with the dark brown shade from the palette. I'm gonna smudge the kajal with a small angular brush, and that concludes our eye makeup. You just need to apply mascara and you're good to go. It's very easy to do, yet it looks elegant. You can definitely give this a try. If you don't have smudger brush, just use the Q-tip, it does the job. Then using this Maybelline mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. Also highlighted my inner corner and brow bone. And to finish off my makeup, I have 2 lip options. One is the nude shade from NYBAE, other one is the darker shade from STARSTRUCK. my traditional makeup look for this festive season. I really hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section which lip color you liked, nude, neutral or this bold one. I would opt for bold if I'm not doing makeup on the festive day. Bold lips always have that vibe and I really like applying only lipstick and enjoy the festival. So yeah, that concludes my video for day 9. If you haven't watched my previous videos, every link will be in the description box. Do check that out and let me know what kind of videos you wanna watch. Also wishing you all in advance happy Ugadi, Vishu, whatever you're celebrating, but please be safe at home, celebrate with your family. With that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you all in my next one. Bye.